Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the first poem of your book, that is Darkling Thrush. This is one of the best poems of Thomas Hardy. It is poet's sheer imagination, where he imagines that the 19th century has just died and its body will be buried in the canopy. Canopy, the meaning of the canopy is that the clouds acts like a tomb for the dead century. Whole environment around him is desolate, and in this desolation, in this isolation, he wonders what has made the thrush happy and why it is in that desolate environment singing the beautiful song. There is contrast of feelings of sadness and happiness beautifully depicted throughout by the various images. Now let us come to the first stanza. The very first line tells us, I leant upon a coppice gate when frost was spectral grey. Here the poet is leaning against a wooden gate and the weather is desolate and it is dull and gloomy. It is just the end of the winter season, and because it is end of winter season, everything has become desolate. The weakening eye of the day. This year, weakening eye of the day has been used for the sun. The light of the sun, as it is the end of the day, the light of the sun is fading slowly, it is dull. The tangled vine stems coat the sky like strings of broken lyres. Here the poet says the interwoven stems of the climbing plant seems to light up the sky. And all mankind that haunted night had sought their household fires. Here he is saying that the hopeless scene, the winter scene, it is forced by coldness and darkness everywhere. Human beings have been compelled to retire to their homes. They cannot stay any longer out. So they return back to their homes and sit by the fireside to keep themselves warm. So here the poet, throughout this stanza, we come to know that the weather is very cold and it is desolate, dull and grey.